All right, what's going on, people? Today we're going to be doing a circuits lab. It's going to be using a PhET simulator. So you're going to, once you get started here, you're going to click on this link, and that's going to take you to PhET simulator. Before you do that, you're going to go through each of these circuits, just indicate the flow of electrons, and then you're going to make some predictions about these circuits. Okay, and then what you're going to try to do is you're actually going to try to build each one of these circuits in the simulation. So I'm going to show you how to build the first one. Um, so the first thing is, remember, this is a battery right here. We're going to start off with battery. And it says the positive end is on top, so we want the end with the little thingy sticking out on top. And then as much as possible, try to make the setup look like this. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to grab a wire, I'm going to connect up this wire, that. And as I look at the picture, there's also a wire kind of on the bottom side, so I'm going to put one right here. And then looks like there's a wire going across the top. I'll make that a little bit longer. And it looks like there's a wire going across the bottom. And then there's a wire coming down into the light bulb. Oh, whoops. Down. Next, I'm going to add the light bulb. And then there's a wire coming up into the light bulb. Go like that. Okay. So that's your first series right here. Right. We've got just a simple circuit with a battery and a light bulb. And you don't have to use as many wires as I did, as long as it's one loop with a battery and a light bulb. Okay, but then what you're going to do is build the other series, and you're going to be comparing the brightness of the bulbs in those series to the brightness of the bulb in this series. You can determine how bright the bulb is just by how long the lines are. So I'll just show you the resistance. You can see that the lines get shorter. So the shorter the lines, the less bright the light bulb is. You don't need to be playing around with that though. You're gonna just make the different setups. So the first one that you're gonna build is gonna have 2 light bulbs, and then the next one's gonna have 3 light bulbs, and that's what you're gonna be comparing in this table down here. And they're gonna ask you questions about what do you do when a light bulb is removed. Right, to remove a light bulb, just click on it, and then there's an option down here to get rid of it. And then in the second part of the experiment, you're just going to be building some circuits where the light bulbs are in parallel to one another. Right, so like for this first one, you'll build a circuit with 2 loops, and in the first loop we'll have a bulb, and the second loop will have a bulb. And again, you're going to be comparing the brightness of those bulbs, and you're also going to say what happens when one of the bulbs is removed. And then there's some questions down below. Answer those questions, and then we'll go over this together as a class tomorrow. All right, that's all I got for you folks. Let me know if you have questions.